Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of Over the Hill card. A very sassy and masculine, surreal card, and you must like sarcasm if you're gonna get this card. You're probably a very good friend. I'm coloring the image with my Decotime brush markers, twin markers brush, alcohol markers, and for the body of the unicorn I got some Copics because I don't have many Decotime brush markers. I have 150, but yeah, not really light ones. So you can see me coloring. I didn't go for the bright blue that is in the example in the shop, which actually is down below if you need a link, and also part 1 is linked down below, and also my blog post in the description box. You can find all the info. It's not an affiliate link, so even if it were, you wouldn't pay more, but I gave up on those to be honest. Yeah, all the info that you need is in the description down below, and also part 1. And in the part 1 I mentioned my cats and I showed them how they were disrupting, and after a while Charlie went to sleep on my coffee table. Yeah, I include that at the end. It's cute, so mischievous, but he's black cat, so has to be. And I have to say, I really like my brush markers. I came up with a few more blending shades, and I have a video on how I did it. I don't know exactly how many more I made because I got more colors. I have more possibilities tonight. But yeah, I made him white with a little bit of a blue shadowing, flesh toned nose and ears, and blue mane instead of rainbow as I would usually do my unicorn. But I thought that was more masculine, but also a bit more tranquil with all the colors in the background, which is almost a rainbow: purple, pinks, yellow, greens. Maybe I should have done in red. No, but there you go. I will turn on the music. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for coming back for part 2, and I will see you again soon. Until then, bye.